In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a free website with Notion. We'll turn a blank page into a clean shareable site in just a few minutes, using only Notion's built-in tools. Start by creating a new page. In the sidebar, click Add a Page, and you'll land on a fresh canvas. Give your site a clear title, like My Portfolio or Home. This title appears at the top and helps visitors understand where they are right away. Now add your content. Type / to open Notion's menu and choose what you need. Text for introductions and headings, images to showcase work, videos for demos, callouts to highlight key information, and tables if you want simple data or price lists. Keep things readable with short paragraphs, descriptive headings, and dividers to separate sections. To build a more professional layout, create columns. Grab an image or a text block by the handle and drag it to the far right edge of another block until you see a blue guide. Drop it and you've made columns. This is great for pairing a photo with a bio, placing features side by side, or keeping contact details neatly aligned. Next, organize your site with subpages. Add dedicated pages for sections like About Me and Contact. Then link them from your main page so visitors can move around easily. Subpages keep your homepage clean while letting people dive deeper when they want. For clarity, give each subpage a short, descriptive title and add a one-line summary at the top so visitors instantly know what they'll find. Keep navigation obvious by placing those links near the top of your homepage. Make the page interactive. Add a database to showcase projects or posts with filters and sorting. Use toggle lists to create a simple FAQ that expands only when clicked. For feedback, embed an external tool like Typeform, so visitors can submit responses without leaving your site. Just use the / command to insert an embed and paste the link. Before you publish, skim the page for consistent spacing, readable headings, and clear calls to action like a contact button or links to your key portfolio pieces. When you are happy with the layout, publish it. Click the Share button at the top right. Open the Publish tab and select Publish to Web. Notion generates a public link instantly. Copy that link and share it with your audience. You can open it in a new tab to check how everything looks. Any edits you make later will update automatically, so you can keep improving without republishing. That's it, your free Notion website is live. Thanks for watching.